Shalom Saints, if you are a part of a community or home assembly within Straitway and interested in submitting a video for Straitway TV, please have your leadership reach out to Michael Israel.
Oh Yahweh, how many are my foes? Many are rising against me. Many are saying to me, there is no hope for you in God, Selah. But you, O Yahweh, are a shield around me, my glory, and the one who lifts up my head. I cry aloud to Yahweh, and he answers me from his holy hill, Selah. I lie down and sleep. I wake again, for Yahweh sustains me. I am not afraid of 10,000 of people who have set themselves against me all around. Rise up, O Yahweh. Deliver me, O my Yah, for you struck all my enemies on the cheek. You break the teeth of the wicked. Deliverance belongs to you, to Yahweh. May your blessing be on your people, Selah.
Hallelujah. Bless you, son.
If you are a part of a community or home assembly within Straitway and interested in submitting a video for Straitway TV, please have your leadership reach out to Michael Israel. We welcome more righteous content.